And I've been looking for someone to put up with my bullshit. I can't even leave my bedroom, so I keep it cold. And I ain't seen a light of days, but it's not unfolding, it's written. And I was feeling Whitney, me and my homies said Houston. Cars and clothes, thought I was winning, you know I was losing. They told me to wake up, but my clock always stays on snoozing. I'm done. So we stay home and find peace and home, and you know it's broken, but here's the whole thing. So no emotion, it keeps you cold and just act as hard as you can. You don't need a friend, boy, you're a man. Missouri, them lights look so fucking good out there, ladies and gentlemen. Goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've been looking for someone that I can buy my drugs from. It seems like every plug when it's to Utah we came home. Time comes around, feels like I have no one to depend on. So I had 80 V's on Tuesday night, I had nothing to do. I put on a little Dwight and sang a happy tune. I lit a cigarette, stepped out the door, had enough hearing. Came home, all alone. So we stay home and find peace and home, and you know it's broken, but here's the whole thing. So no emotion, it gets you cold and just act as hard as you can. You don't need a friend, Zero, you're the motherfucking man. If you know it, ladies and gentlemen, the lyrics are oh, 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 oh. Please feel free to sing it with me too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.